That's very cool. Somebody liked the stream already. That's very nice. That's very nice. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hi Mariam, how you doing, man? How you guys doing? Are you losing money like everybody else? It was a sudden live stream. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. How you doing? Are you shorting or are you just holding? Hey Kumar, how you doing, man? Appreciate your comments on my videos, man. Yeah, I kind of had like a quick nap, so I kind of woke up and I don't know what else to do than to do live stream, so I thought it's a nice time to do live stream. So I thought, because a lot of people are asking me to do like all kind of altcoins in the comments, and so I thought, why not just pop the live stream and see if you people wanna see some altcoin technicals. Steve Polowski, love being able to get up in the morning and watch your analytics. Thanks, man. Thanks, appreciate it. Please do analytics on Dogecoin. I was actually watching Dogecoin. Let's start with Dogecoin. Why not? I was, you see the lines. I was actually doing Dogecoin because this was, to me, this was looking like some kind of a. I was actually expecting it to break on the upside before the Bitcoin, of course, dropped, because you saw this line of the support up here. Then you got had this some kind of triangle, right? And I was actually waiting here for this to go on the upside. Unfortunately, Dogecoin broke on the downside now that the Bitcoin is dropping and everything. So right now, where it's gonna go, I don't know, because next support on the daily it's all the way down here in this range somewhere. Let's see if you can get something out of the weekly up here. Yeah, so next support it should be down here at 0.48. It gets support on 10 moving average at 0.5 right over here. So you know how long down is gonna go, it all depends, but it might only go down to here because it broke on downside, and also it depends how long Bitcoin is gonna go down. So you know, it's hard to do technical analysis on Dogecoin, because you know it's pumps. You know, if you are not in this pump over here, just sell. Like over here, like if you miss this, like just sell and go into something else. But because to me this isn't some kind of normal movement. It's not like slowly building up and going up. It just like pump. So if you miss this pump over here, just get into something else. That's my idea. But right now, I think it's just gonna follow Bitcoin or something like that, a little more down, and then maybe try again to find some kind of triangle, something it out. Just chilling for the long. Slime Queen. Sorry to hear that you lost money. Everybody's losing money, man. You know, but I was just watching MM Crypto saying like, if you got Bitcoin, just hold it forever. You know, I think that's the reasonable thing to do. Dimitri says, "How are you, my man? Doing good. Kinda having slow nights. So I'm just chilling it. You can hear by the music that I'm not into the anything groovy. What do you think about XDB? I have absolutely no clue what XDB is, man. Never heard about it. XDB, Digital Bytes, Qcoin. It's going up. It's got some kind of correction down to the 20 moving average. I don't think very much about it. I have no preference for it. Never heard about it. It looks like it got some kind of correction down here. Let me put up all my, so I can see this better. RSI on the daily 92. Yeah, it looks like it's correcting. It looks like it's finished correcting down to the 20 moving average. Yeah, it might pop up. It might be even go all the way down to this this yellow line, the 50 moving average, when it starts going up. It all depends. Just have to wait and see. No short, no long, says store. Please do analysis on Dogecoin. Yeah, I just did it. What the fuck? The Doge have unlimited supply change in this story. I don't know how Doge works, man. Doge looking rough. Manan says live after a long time. Yeah, live. Why not? I mean, there are a lot of altcoins that we can do, so if you just give me like a few seconds to get the groove up, then we can maybe start plowing through the altcoins. Any projection on Link? Yeah, we can do Link as well. Let's see. Link is at 25, something like that now. Yeah, that's not happening. I haven't seen a Link in a long time, to be honest. It's just been doing absolutely nothing. This is a weekly chart, so like 2 months it's literally not been doing anything. On the weekly it was climbing the 10 moving average, and it was slowly going up, but you know, when things go up like 100 or 200% a day, and then Link climbs like from 14 to 24 in 3 months, you know, people get bored. People get bored about Link. What I think about Link now, 59 on the weekly RSI, 39 on the daily, monthly way above the monthly. This is the problem I think about Link. It went from 11 up to almost 35, something like that on the monthly chart. So I think, you know, actually from 8 up there. So I think it's just too extend on the monthly chart from away from the moving average. So if Link ever gets down to 14, 15, just buy it. Not a financial advice, of course. Link. So where's the 15? It's down here. Yeah, I think buying opportunity should be around 20. But I don't know how far Link can go up. It's pretty high up on the charts. So is there any kind of pattern forming over here? I haven't looked at this in a very long time. Very long time. So this is resistance, you know. That's the resistance. Like this is if you want to go parabolic or move up, you gotta get above this line over here. How are you gonna draw it? Like this? Maybe something like this. Now we had also this one over here, and now we're breaking that on the downside, so that's crashing. So where should the support be done? On the Link. If you guys get bored of me doing technical analysis, slowpoke, there's, wow, that's a nice support. That's a nice support, man. This one over here, what's that? 25. Oh, that's nice. 24, that's nice support, because both here on the upside it was a resistance to create support, and on the downside it created tested support. It's very nice, and now it's gonna test it again. So if 24 doesn't hold, I would be looking at something like 22 down here. Let's see on the monthly. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, these are two. Yeah, I think 24 should hold, because I don't know if you guys saw my Bitcoin video today, but I think in Bitcoin some kind of divergence is maybe gonna come, be like some kind of a falling wedge. But this 24 Link down here, if it breaks 24, then we might look for 22 support as well. I mean, if these two, if it goes through these two and just starts falling further down, I can help you with that, man. Yeah, you know what, you're gonna look at the 200 moving average on the daily. Yeah, but right now it's just looking to find support, so we want to see if it's gonna get support here on 24. Can this weekly maybe be weekly? Wait. Nah. Daily 4 hour. Let's look at what's happening with 4 hour. They can do it. Are we having? Nothing. Yeah, 24, 22 support. What? Do you find day trades more profitable or swing trade? How much leverage do you use? I stopped doing leverage, man. I could tell you a story how I lost like, 60-70% of my account in a matter of hours. And that was a big account, man. I don't want to go there again. I don't want to go there again. Yeah, no, just if you want to trade, don't day trade. Don't over leverage, like not even 2 times or something like that. Just swing trade, because things are going up like 100% or something like that, man. It's insane. And there we go. First super chat. What's your favorite project in crypto in general, long term? Thanks again, my man. One love. Dimitri. Okay, man. Thanks for the super chat, first of all. The second of all, favorite project in crypto, general, long term. What am I gonna say? I'm not following, these big coins like Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, ADA. I was following the small things. Okay, so I think, not a financial advice, of course, but I think and I like Hex. Sorry about the lines. Oh, sorry, long term. I don't think this is long term. I like Hex because I think it's gonna go up, but I don't think it's long term. I don't think it's long term. Long term, I wouldn't go. I know that I got a lot of other lovers and stuff like that. That might be case if you wanna buy. Long term, only thing I'm looking at is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Besides those two, do we have anything else long term on? I can get long term. Those are just two. If I'm gonna hold anything for long term, it's gonna be Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Binance Coin. Binance is doing fantastic. I would never hold Cardano long term because they have nothing right now. Polkadot also is very small. Useful Litecoin. Depends on how much money you put into it, but though. Yeah, but probably those three: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. If I'm gonna hold long term. Like Uniswap, SushiSwap, 1inch, stuff like that, DEXs, those things, I don't think that those are long-term holds, because technology can change very quickly. But I like Hex. It's not long-term hold, maybe it is, but I like Hex because I've been following it for a while. I am not investing in Hex right now, so unbiased opinion. But I think this thing is gonna go high up. I think it's gonna go up because it's built to go high up, and that's why it has to go high up. That's all. Only thing I know. I'm not shilling Hex. I'm just saying I've been following it, so it might go up higher. But whether it's long term or not, only thing that I'm thinking of long term is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe Binance Coin, maybe because they have been they have been front running the entire crypto. As soon as somebody starts something with a DeFi project, something like that, they are on it. They are on it. Okay, let's catch up with the chat again. QS Mulan YouTube says, I absolutely love the dips because it gives me another opportunity to add my coins to my bag. I totally dislike when people have a heart attack when they see minor correction. Yeah, people have a heart attacks because, they don't know when to buy and when to sell. So, they buy in the wrong time. Stuff like that. How do you feel today, later? Feeling good, man. Imagine in 5 years when you're gonna think about these times, we're gonna find it funny. Yeah, this. We were saying the same things around 2018. I remember in next bull run we're gonna think this is funny, and stuff like that. It was. When I look back on it, like so many mistakes were done, you know, could have gone a lot better. How often does your technical analysis give you profitable trades? How often? Well, my last 2 trades did not pan out as expected. But then I'm not doing any day trading. It was swing trading, but I was just keeping them because I didn't want to go take them out and lose the money on them, because they were supposed to go out, but then the Bitcoin started going down, and now I was like, okay, I'm just gonna close this position and just wait because it's gonna go up again. But I was like, let it go a little bit down, then I'm gonna buy back into it. So that's how far. I mean, you lose some, you win some, you know. Technical analysis is only probabilities, as always. There is a chance to go up, there is a chance to go down. Sometimes you do wrong calls, you know, at wrong times. Usually when I do wrong calls, usually when I do bad trades, is because I trade emotionally. I either FOMO in, I am affected by the FUD, or I am watching some YouTube stuff that get into my head, and then I cannot, you know, I do wrong trades. But if I'm just calm down and I just put money into something that's nobody's talking about, and I can relax, I can use like 2-3 days to put my money into that, then I'm usually pretty confident it's gonna turn out fine. Eternity earn big talk about celebs NFTs on this coin. Earn. Oh, they got only versus Ether, but it's going up. That means that Ether is going down. That's negative, right? Eternity chain. Mars, no, it's actually going up. This is wrapped Ether. I don't know what it is. It's since 10th March. Eternity chain. Bro says, fuck this stream. Yeah, fuck this stream, man. It's not for everybody. Bro says also, can you look at perp? Well, I cannot look at perp now that you said that, Dan. Any analysis on XRP? The Salamani family. You know what, guys? I have to... I'm gonna get back to XRP. I'm just gonna read the chats a little bit. What altcoins increase? What altcoins on my list decrease? Something VFire. Harmony is going up against the storm. Cake, also been watching Cake. Cake is going up against the storm. There was also this... where is it? Yeah, it's IOTA. IOTA was doing good, but now it's down 10% today. Yeah, maybe this is here's a tip for you guys, not to train the guys again. It got out of the triangle upside. It went up to the resistance at 1.68. Now it's testing the support here, down here. It got this bullish cross just over here on the breakout. And let's look at the volume, and also the volume was confirming the breakout. So if you want to trade the IOTA, not your device, you might do your own research and see what you can do about it. But to me, it looks very IOTA right now. It looks very interesting. I took a huge Jaffa said, I took a huge risk yesterday and bought Safe Mars on Pancake Spot, made 10x in a day, sold as stressful to hold. Yeah, I'm gonna find. Wait a second. See, I bought SafeMoon. I made a video about SafeMoon, and everybody hated my SafeMoon video. I bought SafeMoon and everybody hate my SafeMoon because I told them it was pumping up, you know, it goes up too much. And then it went up like 2-3 times and then it went down, and then I sold it with the loss because I was like, I don't want to do pumps and ups this run. And now it's up like 5 times from where I bought, but I don't care because it was small money, it was play money, you know. I understand what it is, you know. SafeMoon, Safe Mars, whatever you want to go. Right now it's up it's up like a lot. Let me do it like this for us. I'm gonna show you chart just a second. Eternity big talk on the weekly. Well, the balance on Harmony dip back to around 10 cents, but I just don't ever see it going that low anytime. So if Harmony takes the dip, it's only be as low as 15-17 cents. Makes sense, y'all. Yo, trying, but I'm high. Yo, what's good? Hi, man. Can you do the IG? Yeah, look at it. Let me just get it down to this. Anyone else in XRP? I'll do XRP. It's Reef. Can you look at Goose Finance? Hey man, your channel and that Coins Kid one you shouted out have really got me into TA. I'm a new trader, learning as I go, earning way more from day trading than I ever did in my job. Jewers92, listen man, I'm gonna give you a pro tip right now. In bull market, everybody is making money day trading and swing trading and everything. Everybody feels that they are pro traders. Remember this, in bull market, everybody thinks they are insanely good. It's in the bear markets that that you figure out what you're made of, right? Bear markets actually show you difference between the good traders and the bad traders. But in the bear market, so don't get over too confident in the bear market because everybody is doing very good. I mean, you just throw money out whatever, and it's gonna keep on going up. So, but it's nice that you liked my content and like the Coins Kid. And that you are into TA. It takes a while to learn it, but once you get it, it helps you with the trading and investing and stuff like that. So congrats to you, man. Enjoy the show, enjoy the trading, but just remember, when we get to the bear market, you have to be really on the money when it comes to trading. So day trading, crypto, and bull market, it's all fine, but once we are to money, just swing it, man. Swing it or just invest. Thanks, man. I will check the hex and check the project. Yeah, I don't know if hex is actually a long-term project, but I like the reason why it's made. And if you understand that, then you understand it. It's like Safe Moon, Safe Mars. You know, they build Safe Moon and Hodge and Safe Mars for the price to go up. And what's happening? Yeah, the price is going up. GBs says, I found TI is nice on Twig rep. Omega. What do you think? Siphon. What you just said about win some and lose some is so real. You're a real honest person. I respect you, man. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Like, I am making money. I'm not gonna lie about it. But I do make bad trades, and usually the bad trades comes from the emotional aspect and not the technical aspect. Because usually when you're not emotionally invested and you bad technical trade, you can get out pretty fast, but it's the emotional trades that wreck you, you know, and it happens, you know, it happens. I did the same thing with SafeMoon. I just fell down by holding it and sold would have made like 7x. Yeah, I understand totally. Like, in the video I made about SafeMoon, I don't know if you guys watched it, but I removed it because it got so many dislikes. You know, people don't like when their Ponzi's are pumping ups are being talked down. Anyways, in the bear market, 2019 bear market, there was something called Ponzi's. You know, power of weak hands, 3D, power of weak legs, stuff like that. Those things they pump a lot. You know, that's the only thing they're being made for. You know, so people throw money at it, you know, and it would go like 10x in a day, and people goes. So I know that these things that are going out around now, like Hodge, Safe Moon, Safe Mars, Bunny, all the dogs, you know, and stuff like that, it's a pumps and dumps, and as soon as Bitcoin goes up again, it's gonna stop because all of these people will take out money and put it in the real projects. The latest auto will early adopt market siphon and make his channel blow up. Will early market siphon will early adopt market siphon and make his channel blow up. Lol. Did not get that. Did not get it. Sorry, man. Market siphon gives you free money signals, long or short, bull or bear market. Don't matter. Never trade with leverage unless you use market siphon, of course. Dude, is that like a sales pitch? Are you selling something? Market siphon. Yeah. By the way, guys, never buy any kind of systems or bot trader or anything like that. It's insane. How long have you been in Tua and where did you learn? Knock knock. I learned it on the internet, man. I've been doing it since 2017. 2017. You know, I got into investing in early, like summer 2017. Before that maybe, and I started with stocks, you know, so I did not know anything about crypto and anything, but I just figured out that my current job is not giving me the returns that I want to return, so I thought, yeah, well, all the rich guys are getting rich through the stock market, so let's go there. So I started there and then I went into the crypto market at all-time high top, you know, and I was like, why am I losing money? Why are they getting money? Why cannot time the when to get in? And then I start looking into like, yeah, but does technical analysis even work? And then I figure it out. And then, so yeah, since 2017, 2018, I've been doing technical analysis. And I've been through the entire bear market. I've been like glued to my screen and doing technical analysis. So I short all the time this bull market, lol. Don't short, man, don't short. If it's bear market, just go long. It doesn't pay off to short. I mean, sure, you can short if you get some profits, sure, but just be sure to close those shorts as soon as the targets are hit, because they are not going to continue. I have proof on my Twitter, my son. What does your day look like as a trader? Where do you look for data and how early do you wake up? What does I'm not a trader. I'm a swing trader, sure, but I'm not active trader. I'm just doing the cryptocurrencies, and it's very easy to follow. You know, you just have your phone with you all the time, and you know what's happening. You know, you're not getting into in and out of trades every day. And you know, I'm a family guy, so I got kids to take care of and family and other stuff. I also got a business, so that's that. So usually when everybody is sleeping during the day, I check this stuff out, and then during the day I'm just on my phone checking the prices all the time and checking the technical analysis. Toilet siphon. All systems are garbage, I agree. Except for market siphon. Sorry, man, I don't think market siphon is anything you should be shilling. There's no system that's good. It's just to take money from the other people. Hodl other 5 years, you will be crypto rich. Sure, if you buy anything right now, in 5 years during the next bull market, you will be rich again. It just doesn't matter. You know, because in 5 years time, then you get this new cycle of halving and a new bull market and stuff like that. So, but yeah, you know, are you gonna buy ADA now? Or are you gonna buy ADA during the next bear market? Depends. Crypto Gizmo, not true. Take a look at my Twitter and find out. No thanks, man. Crypto Gizmo. What's your top secret trading tips? Let's see info. Clean, modern, clean trading, atomic high precision, Bitcoin, chart plus strategy, cutting edge, 75% success rate. Okay, before I Crypto Gizmo, I'm gonna ask you a question, okay, man? I hope you can answer me truly, okay? On your channel, it says 75% success rate. If you got 75%, what's your? Oh, wait. Where is this Crypto Gizmo? Let's see. Just a second, there's a Twitter. Okay. Close this. Notification, no, the most advanced. Yeah, how much is, first of all, okay man, how much does it cost? I have to ask, how much, you said it's 75% win rate, how much does your system cost? Trying, but I'm 500 pounds. Is that like monthly fee or daily fee or weekly fee or yearly? Is it 500 and then I can use it however long I want? Yeah, I understand he's trying to sell. The thing I wanna ask: if you got a system with 75% success rate, you could be making so much money that it really doesn't matter how much you can make from these other people buying your system, because it's too much time and too much trouble to go through to one time. So you pay one time 500 to get a system that has 75% success rate. So much bullshit, man. Free forever, and you can give to as many people as you want. Okay, there you go, man. Crypto Gizmo. If you got a system that's good and you sell it for that low, it usually means it's BS as F, you know. So man, I have never done this before on my channel. I have never done this before my channel, but I have to block you, you know. If you want to say some last words before I block you, you are free to do so, but you know, advocating for any kind of systems or stuff like that, it's just too shady thing to do, especially when you're doing in the crypto and the trading and stuff like that. And I know all about manipulation and trading and scams and ponzi's and all of that shebang. So yeah, if you want to say the last words, like I don't want to ban anybody. I never ban anybody on my channels because I feel people should be allowed to say whatever they want to say. But you know what? I'm gonna be a good guy. I'm not gonna ban you. But let's not talk about your system again, okay? Nah. Check my Twitter. Okay, man. We are done talking. I'm not banning you because you know the good guy here. But let's not talk about it anymore. Okay, cool. Wow, check Chillout, man. I just said this might be a thing, you know, and it's right back into the triangle. Right back. This is engulfing bearish candle. That's terrible, man. How's Bitcoin doing? 52,000. Oh man. Oh, look at that. Look at that. 52k. Oh, Bitcoin is crashing like crazy. Look at this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you something nobody has shown you yet. I'm gonna give you something nobody. See this candle over here? Look what happened. We have right now. Depends on how far this is gonna go. Right now there is a hidden bullish divergence. Let's remove this one. Hidden bullish divergence on the RSI, but it's keep going down. So if this ends like something like this, then it can be very bad. I think this is the I think this is the flush. Yeah, but the volume is non-existent though. The volume is very low. Right now we have a hidden bullish divergence. So if this holds, that might mean there is some kind of bottom over here. Let me just go get your money, yeah, silly boy. Bitcoin going down. Yeah, we're gonna see. Everything is Thing is, the stream is bad because this candle over here, can I show it? This candle over here closes in 1 hour and 30 minutes, so it's a pretty long time for one candle to close. I hope we get some kind of support here, but this looks like it's gonna be some kind of a hit bullish divergence if it stands in this range, and that would be the best case scenario for Bitcoin right now. Do you think Curve DAO token will do what Yearn Finance did? What did Yearn Finance do? Nothing. BTC down like nickels on Russian volatility. Legitimate thanks. This PIP token are safer gang. They hate me. They try and hack me every day for years. Lol. Crypto Gizmo. As long as you keep your thing out of my chat, I'm good. Okay. So you can talk about altcoins and everything, but don't bring it into the chat. We cool? Cool. Do you think ADA will hit 10 before 2022? If it's gonna hit 10, then it has to hit before 2022 because everybody thinks 2022 will be bear market, so it has to hit it before that. Stanchak, what's your view on Dent, please? Dent went up a lot. I remember Dent in the bear market, Denta coin. In the bear market, it was doing just terrible, if I remember. Yeah, it was doing just like everything else. I don't know if this is a Dent trading view. Yeah, it's up a lot. I cannot say if this is the top or not, but it looks like it's hitting some kind of yeah, it hit 94 on the daily, so we gotta get a correction at least to the 20 moving average. So it's in correction right now. It went from 7 to 42,000. You think that what is called? What's it called? Curve DAO will go the same thing? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Curve DAO token. Okay. Yeah, but it's been 3x since bull market started over here, man. 3x, man. It's terrible, it's performed terribly so far, so I don't know, man. Baba Froga says this will be a good opportunity to get into Reef. Let's just keep one eye on the Bitcoin. See what Bitcoin keeps on crashing, man. Bitcoin keeps on crashing. Where is the support? We are watching this on the 4-hourly right now, and I'm looking for this RSI divergence. If this is gonna pan out, I want to see exactly where the where this is gonna go. We still got a lot of time left, so let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin is right now very interesting to look at because what's your view on BTT? I did a few videos on BTT, man. I have absolutely no clue where it's going, but I know like BitTorrent, it's the brand, so. Loch Ness. Well, if it's coming to Coinbase, just hope it doesn't do the same thing that Cardano did when it came to Coinbase, you know. Maybe people are waiting to get it on the Coinbase so they can drop their tokens on the other people. Can you look through? It's going to be listed on Coinbase tomorrow. Yeah, obviously a lot of coins are going to be listed on Coinbase tomorrow. Other thinking towards $1. Yeah, we are getting this is Cardano. We are getting into our panic area right here. It just got rejected by it, got support at 1.04, so that's good. Man, this is a bloodbath. Minus 10%, 1inch minus 11, sushi minus 10. Wow. ETH minus 6. It's just terrible. I'm guessing the only thing that's going up is like Hex like, I don't care, man, I'm going up. Everything is a minus 10%, Hex is plus 10%. Gert, it's going down, man. Gert got pumped a lot and then it's correcting now. Gert is correcting. This is, I was expecting to get out of here. This was some kind of triangle. It didn't. Let me. I cannot see this, man. This is 4 hours. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, there was some kind of falling. Maybe something like this. So now the support under here should be, wow, the good support, the big support is down here at 0.7. Will we come all the way down to 0.7? It depends. But let's look at the moving average. Is probably gonna get. So we are breaking the 10 moving average on the weekly and daily. We don't have any. We broke in 20. Where is 100 moving average? Somewhere down here, I'm guessing. So we don't have anything. So we broke through all moving averages. So that means that weekly is there. So what kind of supports is after this then? Down here 0.9. So yeah, you gotta look for support wherever the support can be found, and you know. Let's see this, how this is panning out. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna happen. 0.2, no way. Unless this is a start of the bear market. Do you guys think this is start of the bear market? It's good time to accumulate more ADA. Oh no, I just missed the short taking in here though. Why would people short in the bear market, in the bull market? 4 hourly seems to get some kind of support right up here right now. Bitcoin is actually doing exactly what we said in the previous. I don't know if you guys watched my Bitcoin video today because there was no notification, so only 200 people watched that. So let's talk about Bitcoin for a second. This is some kind of a double bottom pattern, right? It broke out and then it's coming to resistance up here at the top. But all these moving averages, the 50 and 100 are up here. So we said that probability that we are going to get rejected there is pretty high, and we are going to go into this falling wedge type thing. So I said when it starts getting rejected and going down here to the line, the best possible scenario is that we go past this level, this bottom over here at 54,000. For if we go past this spot, past this bottom over here and stop somewhere around here, what we get then is hopefully is this hidden bullish divergence. That's right now, we have it right now, we have hidden bullish divergence. So if the price finds the bottom over here and starts going slowly up here, then this holds, and then you have kind of confirmation that this is some kind of bottom, and then you can look for a big move up, at least test this resistance again. So we're gonna go and see the moving averages on the small time frames right now. Yeah, it just dumped a lot. Let's see, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah. Let's clean up the charts lines. 5 minutes is nice to watch. Then you can watch the price action on the 5-minute chart and see what's actually happening. You can see here when it started going down, it's following actually 10 and 20 moving average, and breaks it and get rejected at 50 moving average, and then follows down by following 10 moving average, 20 moving cannot, and continues going down. So this looks like some kind of 5 minute divergence right over here. So we might have actually some kind of a bump over here, either to these two moving averages all the way up to this 50 moving average that's following us down. So that's gonna be nice to see. But then this is the 5-minute chart. Nothing is important here. live until daily close. Daily close is in about 1.5 hours. Yeah, I'm not gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna hold it for 1.5 hours more, man. 1.5 hours live stream. Yeah, sure, we can maybe we can watch it. Yeah, you see here, it's this is a 5-minute chart, so don't take seriously, but you got the RSI divergence here on the 5-minute chart, and the price is now going higher up. But you have all these moving averages on the 5-hour charts above it that is acting as resistance. So usually how this pans out is it breaks these first moving averages, jump above those, and then goes for the next jump above those, and goes for the next and jump above those, and then continue goes up while the moving averages starts coming after it, and then use it as support to climb on upside. People don't understand how important moving averages are. Like that's insane. Like moving averages is alpha and omega in technical analysis. Like RSI moving averages, MACD moving averages, like everything is moving averages. People don't understand that. All the decent this one over here, SPO, also PPO, moving averages. All the decent indicators that are used, stochastic, moving averages. Like everything is about moving averages. Now what kind of moving averages you use, like numbers, is it EMA or SMA or stuff like that, we can discuss that, but everything is moving averages. So important to know, but people are underestimating moving averages. And I remember one guy on the trading view, you know, he was doing a live stream on the trading view, and he said, I asked him, yeah, but shouldn't you look at the moving average? I don't remember what it was, and I asked him, like, shouldn't you be looking at moving averages? And he was like, I'm not the moving averages kind of guy. I'm like, if you're not moving averages kind of guy, what kind of guy are you? Guy who doesn't do technical analysis, who in the right mind is not following moving averages. So important, so important. So we gotta see how this is gonna pan out. Look how chill he is watching the charts. People are dying now. Blood everywhere. Yeah, I think people are panicking. Yeah, there's a reason to panic though. There's a reason to panic because we are breaking some very important market structure right now. And it's not a joke. It's really important market structure. This line over here is getting broken, and that's why everybody is panicking. Do you think you will ever do 1,000 to money tomorrow or to money? I'm not quite sure what you mean. 1,000 to 10,000 challenge. Yeah, I was thinking 1,000 to a million though. I think 1k to 10k is too easy. But 1k to a million is a little bit more difficult. I did. I was having a lot of money on my. I was having my main portfolio all locked up in Bitcoin, right? And I want something to trade with, so I took 1k and did up to 30k or something like that. So, and that's where it stopped right now, around 30k or something like that. So I gotta continue with that. This is why everybody's panicking on the Bitcoin chart. If you don't understand, you don't. This is a very important line to not break, and we are breaking it as you know what. Let's look at another chart. This is the CME futures chart. Also, it's getting broken. It's breaking the 20 moving average over here right now, and it's actually very bad, very bad. The volume, weekly. Let's pull up 10 moving average weekly. We can still fall down to 47,000. I think 47, 48,000 might actually be bottom for this if this continue being up, because I've been watching it for a while. So let's see over here. Can you look at ZIL? Sure, man. Let's look at ZIL and see how it's bleeding down. Where's my ZIL? There's ZIL, minus 8% today. ZIL, let's just remove everything. Broke it. It's having support on 20 moving average though. On the this is daily. weekly still way above. It can go all the way down to 0.12, be still very bullish. You can see here how it got support on the 10 moving average, so it can go all the way down to 0.12 this week and still be very bullish. So it's got a long way down to go. Still got a long way down to go, like 25% down before it starts getting bearish. So ZIL looking good, man. Got nothing against ZIL. Gazilla. But it is doing the same thing Bitcoin is doing. It's getting these bearish divergences, right? And then you have this one over here now. So hopefully maybe this will be I don't know. So yeah, it got these bearish divergences on the top side, so don't know, but still got a long way down to go to before we start getting bearish. On the weekly you want to see it close below this 0.12. After that it's bearish. It's not bearish, but it's gonna go at least to 0.08. Do you have any suggestions for best resources, books to learn technical analysis? Nah, man, just look at a lot of videos. Ignore everything that the people are sharing. Any indicators people are sharing, just ignore that. And look for people who do technical analysis based on the basics, like moving averages, RSI, MACD, stochastic, you know. Look for people who are not using too complicated stuff and try to learn from that. And also people who are making money are probably doing the right things. So I try 1 to 10k for 12 days now and I'm not Dimitri, I don't think you can do 1 to 10k. I did 1 to 2k, double the money. I think it took me like a week or something, like a week or two, and then from 2 to 4k it took me also like something like 2 to 3 weeks, then the 4 to 8k also like a month or something like that. So it does take time, but it is doable, like especially in the bull market, because everything is going up 100%. So you just take money, just put it and just swing it. You know, but you gotta like with certain degree of certainty know that you bought something is gonna go up. Like right now it's very hard to flip anything to 1 million because everything is going down and Bitcoin is some kind of correction phase, but after that it's gonna be easy. I put 1k into the reef, 1 million easy. Yeah, baba. How to make 1k to 10k? You double it, man. You double it, or you put it into a pump and dump coin like Safe, Moon or Hodge or something like that. I don't know, maybe they are finished. But yeah, I'm not advocating pumps and dumps or something like that. Not a financial advice. If you put anything you put into these pumps and dumps like Safe Moon, Safe Mars, Hodge, Bunny and stuff like that, you have to understand you're gonna lose that money. Yeah, and you have to be okay with that. If you get money, it's okay, but if you're gonna lose money, you have to be okay with that as well. Can you talk about Cardano? Man, we have been doing Cardano videos daily. 1.8. Cardano is following Bitcoin right now. It was pumped too high up, and now you can see here we are getting support at this 50 moving average. 50 moving average right over here. These local bottoms over here. So right now the 50 moving average, these local bottoms, everything is holding. So depends on what's gonna happen. Depends. We have to just keep on watching. It's hard to tell it's gonna do this, and people think that technical analysis works on the base. Yeah, it's gonna go here and then it's gonna do that. You know, patterns work like that. Patterns. If you watch, for example, Crypto, right? He's a pattern guy. So he knows if he get in some kind of patterns, it has probability to go on the upside or downside, right? But usually the confirmation is very good. Here there is no confirmation. Like if you close above moving average, confirmation is good, but it can go down. On patterns, if you look at also at some other technicals, patterns give you a lot better confirmation than anything else. That's why Crypto is trading patterns and not moving averages or stuff like that. But it's hard to tell right now because there is no actually any clear pattern over here right now. Not that I can see. The only thing I know that we broke the trend line and we are going now down to testing the support over here. If this support over here at what's that, 1.03, if that breaks and we close below that on the daily, that's gonna be terrible, man. That's gonna be terrible. If we close above it, then we got support of the 50 moving average, all good. So I hope that this 103 support holds. I'm off to bed. Thanks for the stream. Hope you do more often. Yeah, man, you're welcome. I don't know. I like streaming, but you know, it doesn't generate a lot of subs, and for me, the subs are, when growing the channel, they are more important than money. Like, you know, I made 1K to 7 million, then low 6 million, and now I have 1 million. Dude. Oh, I made with 1 million to 7 million, then low 6 million, now I have 1 million. Yeah, that's insane, man. That's insane. Big bucks. What do I think about VeChain? I have no preference for it. Stop saying you're not my financial, you're my financial advisor. No way, man. No way. If you want to have financial advice, listen to people like Warren Buffett. You know what you should do for financial advice? You need to go to the Crypto's YouTube page and listen to his latest stream. He talks about the importance of holding Bitcoin. People don't understand that. You find a project, you hold it forever, and you just get a lot of money that way. Now, if you have $1,000, it's hard to do, but rich people know that that's the way to gain money, you know. So, can you talk about Cardano? I just did, man. I just did. What I think about VeChain? VeChain. Did I have VeChain up here? VeChain. Yeah. Yeah. Let me say a few words about VeChain. I saw that it's in a. Let me remove this one. VeChain is in some kind of a what are you gonna say? It's some kind of a channel, and it's an upper side of channel. So if it breaks on the downside, you can look for this support line over here to hold. And if it breaks on the upside, well, if it goes to the upside, then you can look for this upper target hold. So basically, you got this line that goes from these stops over here, and you got this line that goes on these bottoms over here, and they create the channel, right? So if it breaks on the downside, bearish. If it breaks on the bull side, bullish. And how far away should we put our targets if we are? So this seems like give or take. So basically, if it breaks on the upside, then you can look all the way up for this line of here, 118 or something like that, and then after that all the way up here, because usually these things go that way. They have these diagonal lines they are using as supports, and they are climbing those lines. Why? I don't know. I've just noticed that. Love you, do. You're like John Wick, but in training. John Wick, but thanks, man. Appreciate it. I don't know what actually that's supposed to mean, but sure. I saw John Wick movie, but that's how I think too. I'm not a trader, I'm a holder. Yeah, you're right, but holding is boring. True that, man, but you cannot buy with people think like I got like 1,000, 2,000. I'm just gonna buy Bitcoin and then hold forever. You're not gonna get rich. I mean, after 80 years, maybe you're gonna get rich. But are you doing it to get rich in 80 years? Or are you doing it to get rich in a year or two? You know, what's your plan? What's your target? What's your strategy? If you got a lot of money, like let's say you got like $1 million, $100,000, $200,000, and you want to get richer, you want to have money enough to buy the house and stuff like that. What do? Most sensible thing is to buy the good assets and let it climb slowly over a couple of years, and then be sure that get some kind of profits. Because if you do trade with a bit of money, chances are you might actually do very badly if you're not very proficient in it. Most people, like 99% of people, should never trade, man. They should just buy something like index funds, Tesla, Bitcoin, whatever, and just hold it, you know. People should not trade. Everything just went parabolic down. Yeah. We are looking right now, guys. I don't know. I think everybody was here before when I was explaining this. Let's see these moving averages. You see here, we had this. This is a small time frame. It's 5 minutes time frame. This happens all the time in the big time frames as well. You get this RSI divergence up here, right? This RSI divergence, of course, it makes bottom, and then it starts going up because you got divergence, but then it hits these resistances, moving averages, and it continues just going further down. So this can be a double RSI divergence as well. So nothing is confirmed. But if this has been like a daily chart or weekly chart, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. It's a month of the rise here, you know. If it's daily chart, like 2, 3, 4 days with a up moon. But 5-minute chart, like 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So that's why people like RSI divergence on the big time frames, because if you got RSI divergence on the big time frame, it means you got a longer time it's gonna go up before it's actually something is happening. But right now we are hitting this 10 moving average, getting rejecting, and we're probably gonna see lower levels. So now we're gonna be pushed down. If you go below this level over here, it's gonna jump even harder down. So that's what we are actually looking for at Bitcoin right now. How fast and how hard it's gonna dump down. Shared segment with the I don't think Crypto want to do shared segment with me, man. I don't think that's happening. He's got like 350k, I got like 4k subs, man. Nah, he's with the big boys. He's playing with the big boys. Can you check T-Fuel? Yeah, man, come on, I'll check T-Fuel. I don't know what it is, but I check T-Fuel for you. This weekly chart. Wow. So I gotta ask you, are you thinking of buying this, or are you thinking of selling it? You know, are you thinking of buying up here, or are you thinking of selling? That's what I want to know. Look at this. So it broke on the upside. It's got down to retest this 10 moving average up here on the daily. So if this holds, it's gonna be bullish. If this fails, might be bearish, but it's been growing. How many percent is from down here? 203 times, 204 times, 200 times. No, 200 times, 20 times, 20 times the money. Start 21st May. Yeah, here it started in November. Yeah, same time. It has a better performance than Bitcoin, I think. Bitcoin did. Yeah, it has better performance than Bitcoin. T-Fuel. I don't know what T-Fuel is, man. T-Fuel. Let's look at it again. Yeah, it broke out of this where it's a falling wedge. Is this a falling wedge? You could say it's a falling wedge. Maybe it broke out a falling wedge or a triangle or whatever. Either way, the good thing, it's broke out on the upside. The problem is This is a bearish engulfing candle if it closes below 0.37, but if it holds the 10 moving average, it's good. It's good. So I want to see, yeah, I would like to hold the 10 moving average up here so it doesn't get bearish. And then if it does fall down, I don't want, it would be good if it doesn't fall below the 20 moving average, because if it closes below 20 moving average the next day, then you know it has the possibility to go even lower down. But we just got this, no, this was bearish cross and then bullish cross, and now we're getting bearish cross again. But the RSI is a 62, so it did doing fine. Weekly 87, so it's not overbought or anything. It's not 96, monthly is 96, so I won't go this for one more month after this one though. 85, 96, so next month I won't do T-Fuel though, because monthly is very overbought. 96, 97, so I mean, it's sure, but for how long? See here, the RSI here came all the way up to 96, 97, and it's got retracement. So if it gets up to these levels again, close to the monthly, so I don't think this has a lot of room left to go, like maybe 1 more 2 weeks or something like that. I don't know. It's hard to tell, man, but it should continue being bullish. It should close above this 10 moving average over here. Cheers to you for keeping thrill, man. You're welcome. Is Anchor worth purchasing at current price? Anchor. I don't know what Anchor is, man. Anchor. You know, everything is so overbought right now. It's not overbought, but it's high. Weekly is at 93. This is gonna get some kind of a pullback. Look at this. The 10 moving average is all the way down 0.03. This is not 0.08, but this is weekly. Let's look at the daily. Oh, it's riding the daily 10 moving average. But you see here, the price is going up, the RSI is going down. I think it's going to have some kind of correction soon, especially on the weekly. So nah, I wouldn't get into Anchor now. I mean, you do what you want to do, but I won't do it. Where says, hello Doctor, nice to know your channel. I hodl ADA VET 1 BTC LTC. Your price estimation on these at December. Why do you want to know December? I don't know. I cannot give you any price estimation or anything. I can give you like, maybe it's gonna move up, maybe it's gonna move down tomorrow, maybe this is gonna happen next week or 2 weeks. But price estimations, that's hard, man. That's hard. Sorry, man. I have absolutely no clue what's gonna happen in December. But to be I don't think this bull run will last until December. If it does, all good, but I don't think it will last until December. Just so that's said, I don't think this bull run will last until December. Let's see what's happening on the Bitcoin. Oh, look at that. It actually did not fall through. It did not fall down. It went down. Look at this. It's so beautiful. So you remember this, that there were 3 red candles up here, and it went down all the way down to this support over here, and it bounced back up above the 10 moving average. Oh, this might be some kind of bottom. Ah, that's nice. So you're gonna keep on following this and see what's actually happening. This looks very nice, because this was the RSI divergence that we just saw, right? This was the RSI divergence on the 5-minute chart, right? We saw that, and it said it's gonna go up, and then we are waiting to see what's gonna happen with these. And I said this support down here has to hold. If it falls down, it's gonna go low in it. So it's now it's climbing above the 10 moving average. What's it gonna do now? It's gonna try to climb above this 20 moving average over here, up. And if it does that, then it can actually continue going further up. So we gotta actually see, and then gonna try to climb the 50 and 100, 200 maybe. So this can actually go all the way down to 55,000 maybe, I don't know. But it's good, but it's good. So where is the line of support? Or let's see a little bit. because this is really like, let me move the moving averages and see if we can draw some kind of trend line over here. This is the 5-minute chart, man. This is the trend line to break. If you want to break this downtrend, we gotta get above this line over here, and that's where the 50 moving average is. If you see it, so now that's the 20 moving. Oh my god, it's so close, guys, so close. We are very close to finding the bottom. We see this over here. That's the 10 moving average. Now if we can manage to hold above the 10 moving average and climb above the 20 moving average, that means that we have broken this downward trend, and now we are actually going into some kind of sideways movement before we actually continue going down. But sideways movement is a better than down movement, so this sideways movement can actually continue going up as well. So it looks very good, it looks very good, but we got to keep on the momentum. We gotta keep on going with the momentum and see actually what's gonna happen. But right now Bitcoin looking very nice, very nice. Crypto Gizmo says, same, I only have 5,000 followers on my Twitter. You got a 5,000, you're still selling your thing, man. If you just take your thing and make a lot of money and stop selling thing, you know. Also, do not mention your, can you please do not mention your Twitter, because I know that's where your sales landing page is. You know, we had a deal, Crypto Gizmo, we had a deal. You're not talking about your Twitter or your thing, and I allow you to be on my channel and talk as much as you want, right? We cool with that, we cool, we have a deal. Could you please look into STMX and Herbar? Yeah, let's do some more altcoins while we wait for Bitcoin to do something else. STMX. I don't know what this is. I don't know what everything. There are so many coins, guys. So many coins. So many coins. Wow, it looks like it's following exactly what Bitcoin is doing here. Let me see if there is a RSI divergence over here. No, there is no RSI divergence over here on this chart, at least. Let's see 1 hourly, daily, monthly chart. So basically for the monthly, this has been actually doing pretty. No, this is weekly chart. So extended, getting some kind of correction down. How far? The first support is here at 0.0 for this 10 moving average. After that you want to see if it's because it's pretty extended. It went all the way up to 94, so I think maybe it can go all the way down to 0.02 and still be very bullish. So no problem yet there, no problem in paradise yet, but it's very extended from the moving averages on the weekly chart. So we gotta just full on see that. Right now it's some STMX is in some kind of correction. And Hedera hash graph, man, this thing over here. Did I make the video on Hedera hash graph? Was it Hedera? I don't know. Let's look at the weekly. Let's pop this one over here. Let me look at this one. Yeah, I think this is the one, because this went all the way up to 180. Yeah, because you see this top, so we had some kind of correction. Now it's below. It's looking like you're hitting some kind of a bottom over here at the 20 moving average. At least what I can see. But we just got a bearish cross over here, so be careful. Until this bearish cross starts turning, nothing is safe. This is but daily RSI is at 55, so it looks fine. But if it's gonna stop at 20 moving average, it'll go all the way down to 50 moving average. That depends, because you can see here that it used as 50 moving average also when it was climbing up. So it might actually go again down to the 50 moving average. It doesn't have to go down like this. You have to understand that it can go all sideways like this and just wait for the 50 moving average to catch up with the price and then go up, right? That can happen. So how long are you willing to wait? How long are you willing to wait? How long are you willing to wait? Bitcoin is interesting now. It doesn't look like it's wanna go up to the 20 moving average. It's resting on the 10 moving average, but it's resting on the 10 moving average. We just have to follow and see what's actually happening. Off to sleep, man. Enjoy your videos. It was Coinski who mentioned you, and ever since I've been hooked. Keep doing what you're doing, Mr. Late Adopter. Peace and love from UK. Thanks, man. I appreciate CoinsKid. You know, that guy is doing a lot better than me. You should, if you don't know who CoinsKid is, guys, you should go check his channel. He's making like 5 altcoin videos a day, a lot more than me. The nicest soothing voice ever. You know, I like just to put up his tech analysis channel on my TV and just watch it in the background and see what he says about certain stuffs. So do check the CoinSkid up, man. He mentioned me a couple of times in his videos, and I appreciate that. But he's doing a lot better than me when it comes to scribes and stuff like that. I think people like that guy a lot better than me. He has more. His personality is a lot more likable than mine, I think. Dot below 30, yo. Yeah, what's happening in Polkadot, man? Yeah, it's below 30. 29. Oh, man. I think people are getting really scared now. I think people, but you people don't understand. I don't think if you haven't been here during the bear market and stuff like that, that was insane. That was like minus 20-30% drops all the time. Like it was a bloodbath, you know. When I see like now like 10%, 12%, 50%, 4%, 6%, 8%, like these small numbers, like 1-digit numbers down, like is it really a correction? Like what's happening? Because I'm so used to seeing like 20-30% down that you know. My friend, please make graph. I just did graph. If you go to this video and go back I just said about graph. What did I say about graph? I said about graph this. We were in this some kind of triangle, or maybe this was some kind of falling wedge. Maybe this is still some kind of falling wedge. It all depends on what how you look at this. So maybe this is something like this. It's still some kind of falling wedge. So we are actually looking for support. There is no moving averages that can give us support. So the first support is at 0.96 and the second support is all the way down at 0.7. So it depends, like, but if this is a triangle, then the support should be around 0.96. But it also can be some kind of a falling wedge, because Bitcoin is right now in the falling wedge. So this might be some kind of falling wedge, something like this. That means that the lower line should act as support. So maybe we should try to draw some kind of falling wedge with the magnet over here. Something like this, maybe something like this. Then this line over here should be support. And if this is the falling wedge, then the probability to go up is a lot higher than to go down. You know, that's all you can know. You know, you got a probability on upside, probability on downside, and right now probability on the upside is bigger than probability on downside. If this is a falling wedge, if it breaks this line over here, I'm gonna be pretty sure it's gonna go to 0.96 or something like that. I'll be looking to 0.96. If it breaks out of this triangle on downside, 0.96, I think. Thanks, I appreciate the answer. December is the last month of 2021, a very fancy year for crypto. Well, Alex, that's true. If this bull market can hold out till the December 2021, I will be very, very happy, man. But I fear that this is not gonna go for that many months. Thomas says, geez, my link is sinking. Link has been doing nothing for a long time, and I think people have just left it for anything else. Miriam says, I sold my Dodge and bought ADA. So you sold everything that was going down and you bought something that's still going down. Let me see this. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Just a second, very close second. And there we go, back again. So this coin market cap. Why can't you not see this? Can you do it like this? It's fine. Maybe a little small. Doesn't matter. So here is Cardano, right? Cardano is now number 5. It was somewhere down here, right? And then people pushed up. I don't remember. It was maybe something 20 or something like that, and they pushed it up. The same thing goes with Link, Chainlink. Where's Chainlink? Polkadot, Ethereum. Where's Chainlink, man? Wow, Chainlink's 11 now. Yeah, Chainlink used to be like way, way down. So what's happening with these coins is that what happening with these coins that are low, they're pushing it hard and they are pumping and and once it gets in like top 10 or something like that, the progress kind of slows down. The progress kind of slows down. Just ban the guy, you will get used to the bro. Nah, I don't want to ban anybody, man. I feel that people should have opportunity to show the good side of themselves. Like, if he wants to stay here, you know, I have no problem with him, man. I will have a problem if he starts shilling stuff, because I'm not for shilling some kind of systems or stuff like that. It's just bad vibe, you know. So, but the guy can stay, man. He can talk about crypto. I don't matter. Don't put yourself down. Your tech analysis are spot on. Thanks a lot. Tech analysis is not. It can never be spot on. It can be, we are just dealing with probabilities, you know. It has probability to do this, it has probability to do this. See here, 5-minute chart on Bitcoin. We are doing what we are hoping that this can actually do. We are hoping this can continue going. Let me just follow a little bit on the. For this was the error side divergence, right? We are talking about. We got this pump up above the 10 moving average. See here, we got above 10 moving, got support on the 10 moving average, and now we are getting pushed up towards this line up here, to 20 average. Now if we can break through this line over here, 20 more, that means we are now in a side trend, and that's very, very bullish, very bullish. Now we still got 50 minutes left to go. 50 minutes left to go. I don't know how many people are here. 33 people, 33 likes. That's very good. The one dislikes from. Now I cannot dislike my channel, man. I let him stay here. I did not ban him. Why would you dislike my channel if I don't ban you? It's probably that Ben Bun guy who said, who asked me to do some tech analysis, and then I did not answer, and he said, fuck this guy. Probably that guy gave me dislike. But I don't care, man. Now listen here. This is very important. If we can break through this part over here, on the upside, this is around 53,000, something like that, 52.9. If we can break through this support resistance over here and close here above this in the next 15 minutes on the daily chart, I'm gonna clean this up. No, on the 4-hourly chart. On the 4-hourly chart, it's gonna be beautiful because this is gonna be bottom. If this stands like something like this, okay, let's say something like this, this is gonna be hidden bullish divergence, and that means that now this is a bigger time frame than the 5-minute chart. That means that we are gonna go up, we're gonna retest these highs again at 56,000 or something like that. That's gonna be beautiful, that's gonna be perfect. This is the bottom. If this holds, this is the bottom. If this holds, this is the bottom, okay? Remember that, guys, remember that, guys. If in 15 minutes we hold here, this is the bottom. This is the bottom. Yeah, but we are looking at 5-minute chart, so anything can happen on 5-minute chart, you know. But I think I'm gonna stream for another 45 minutes, 50 minutes, just to see what the daily close look like, because now it's getting interesting. I cannot give you. Alex says, what's the best altcoins to buy during this dip, do you think? Sorry if it's already been asked, just tuned in. I don't think it's one of the top 10 coins though, unfortunately. I don't think it's one of the top coins. What I think it's a good buy. I don't want to shill anything because it's very hard to say, like, what would be a good buy. Maybe these semi-big altcoins like Polkadot, because they have been having this nice kind of, so Polkadot, Uniswap, maybe Sushi 1 inch as well. Maybe even Binance Coin. If Binance Coin can survive this dip, Binance Coin is always a good buy. But it's pretty high up. Yeah. Anyways, these dexes, SushiSwap, Uniswap, Polkadot, I like Polkadot, 1 inch, stuff like that. I think the graph might actually be a good buy. So of these things that are being have been shilled before the pump, they're gonna pump again. They're gonna pump again. Like usually people, when I remember the graph, I remember doing the technical analysis on the graph up here. It was only 3 days old, and I was already doing technical analysis on the graph here. I have a video of it. You know, it was going up here. I was actually thinking of buying graph down here, right? And then I was thinking of buying, and then it was like start going down. Then we set some kind of support over here, and there is a support over here. Down here, and it went below this support, and I remember it going sideways, and then here it bottomed totally out and started going up. But I was already talking about the graph on this part over here, right? And I remember the sentiment around the graph was, this is the next big thing, you know, it's gonna go to forever. And then it came with this bear market, and I was like, haha, you bought the graph, or you're gonna just lose, it's gonna go to zero. And what happens then? Then this move comes up, and then suddenly the graph is the very best thing. The graph is the next Google, is gonna take over the crypto world. And suddenly, once we get up to here, suddenly it's like, nothing is gonna happen, man. Just sell graph, it's over, it's pumped, it's finished, you know, because that's how people are shilling and fudding. They are fudding when something is stopped, and they're shilling it when it's when it's on the bottom. So when it's on the bottom, they want it to go up, right, and stuff like that. Reef is a good buy. Reef, yeah, people have been asking about Reef. Let's check Reef, man. Let's check Reef. Let's remove my meme lines and see what's happening on the daily. Oh man, this is bad. It broke through 50 moving, the yellow line on the daily. It has to get you see here, this is the 10 moving average on the weekly. So if it breaks that, the best case scenario is holding the 10 moving average on the weekly. You don't want the reef to fall below this line over here. You don't want the reef to fall below this line over here, because that would mean that you get this is high, this is higher high, but this is low, and that would be higher low, which would indicate a change in trend, and that you don't want that. So the best case scenario is this holds, and you got low, high, low. So you got high, higher, high, low, and this is an uptrend, and that's the best case scenario. So this would mean that there's some kind of bottom down on here, but we have to watch and see what's happening. The problem is that right now it's falling through this 50 moving average down up here, and we have no moving averages down here. Let's see if we can find out where the next moving average is. That's the one. So here, the closest we can get here is 85 moving average. 85, that's over here, that's this bottom over here. So maybe it's gonna go all the way down here. Maybe. Let me just put this back on 100. So it's likely that it might actually fall down to 0.02 and confirm the bottom. So what you get then if it falls all the way down here, you still get you confirm the support. Basically, you just confirm the support. But maybe this is some kind of a trend. Yeah, this one is broken as well. Everything is broken, man. Maybe bull run is over. Maybe bull run is over. Everything is broken. So what do I say about it? Is it goodbye? Nothing is a goodbye now. Everything is going down. We have no indication that there is some kind of bottom right now. But we are getting close. We are getting close. And you see here it's getting rejected by 20 moving average. God damn it. So we managed to climb above the 10 moving average, and we are going up, and we are getting rejected by 20 moving average. This doesn't have to mean anything because this 5-minute chart, so I can still go before it actually gets above the 20 moving average, but this down is looked as planned. Elon info BTC Tesla dump low price, buy more deep up. Maybe, man, maybe. Good sir, please give us other update on your opinion in the next 24 hours. Next 24 hours. Hopefully ADA holds above this 1.03 line, right? This is a very important support hold because of these bottoms over here and this 50 moving average down here. If it manages to hold this support over here, it all depends on the next day. But if it starts falling down, then it can go pretty low down. If it holds the support, because it broke this support over here at 1.1, if it holds support, now it's still 40 minutes left. If it can hold the 40 minutes left, hopefully it will go and retest this resistance at 1.1 and try to get above it and try to maybe even retest 1.15. The bearish news, even though if it holds the support over here, if Bitcoin continues going down, I can almost guarantee you that this will break on the downside, and then we are looking at pretty severe drops. Pretty severe drops, I think. If Bitcoin doesn't find support today, here, if Bitcoin does not find support here, chances are we're gonna see even worse red day tomorrow, I think. Super chat. Jaffa says, thanks for a great analysis, man. One of the best on YouTube. I purchased 500 of OMI on BitMax, hoping for the Uniswap boost next week. Wish me luck. Good luck, man. I was trying to do OMI. First of all, thanks for the 20 bucks, man. I appreciate it. All of the, I don't know if you guys know, but all of the donations on the live streams are going towards giving my wife a new iPhone. Because if I give her a new iPhone, she's gonna let me stream more often. That'll be mad on me. I have money to buy iPhone, but it's very nice when you can give her iPhone from the YouTube money, you know. You know, when I started doing YouTube, I started getting advertisement on my YouTube channel. So she's told me, you know, as soon as you get enough money through YouTube channel advertisement, you know, you gotta buy me a dinner. So I owe her a dinner now, and the next day I'm gonna buy her its iPhone through super chat donations. So if you're guys who want to buy my wife a new iPhone, donate money. It's okay. It's not that important. OMI or Misego is not. This is OMG. There is no OMI on trading. That's what I was trying to get to. I was trying to, because a lot of people are asking me about OMI, and I cannot find the chart on CoinMarketCap or something like that. Can we do that? Can we do that on CoinMarketCap? Can we find the chart on OMI and see if we can do OMI economy? Yeah. Let's do technical analysis. So how is it gonna work? So well, we can clearly see that support should be around 0.07 on this downturn. If it goes below something like this, even if it goes below 0.0076, that would be bearish. Right now it's some kind of downtrend. I can do this, man. 3 months. 1 month. 3 months. 1 month. It's a clear downtrend, but maybe this is gonna support it. I wish I could do this. You know what we're gonna do? Wait. We're gonna do pro technical analysis. I don't think you guys know how I do this. You're gonna see how professionals do technical analysis now, okay? Okay, we're gonna use this one. This one, this one, okay. Okay, wait, I got a surprise for you guys. There we go. Is this good? This is a good enough chart. Okay, now we're gonna do technical analysis on this, okay? Because I cannot find the chart of this, okay? So basically you got this descending line. wait. We got this descending line over here, right? Something like give or take, okay? And then we also have this, this looks like some kind of channel. So it's a descending channel. We have this support line over here, but I cannot see how far back it goes. This is so terrible, man. This is so terrible. I cannot give you any price targets, but are we able to do this? Are we able to do this? No, not this one. Maybe something like this over here. But then this and this bottom should actually correspond. So maybe it's something like here. Wait. Because this is down, this is up. But then nothing happens here, touches here, maybe something there. So something down here. This is hard, man. I'm gonna do this. All the way down. There's something happening. There's something happening here, but I cannot see it. I cannot see it because there are no wicks. It's very hard to do this. But right now, this over here should be some kind of support, stellar support. If this is a channel or maybe even a falling wedge, it depends on it because I cannot see the wicks. I cannot see the wicks. So maybe it's a channel. Maybe it's even a maybe it's a like falling wedge. Maybe it's a falling wedge. I cannot do this. Sorry. It's very hard. It's very hard. Again, Jaffa, thanks for $20, man. Appreciate it. Dan Stefanic says, okay, I gave you 2 thumbs up. Thanks, man. Let's see. In the MS Paint video No, it's not MS Paint. It's a paint, paint.net. It's a free paint. I've been using it forever because I was too cheap to buy paint shop. Then I was using paint.net is perfectly fine to do for everything, man. We got another super chat. Coty price going into April after day events. I have no clue what events you're talking about because I'm not following what's happening with certain cryptos, but I've been watching Coty lately. And I was actually quite bullish on Coty until today. Yeah. Oh, that was good. I was actually thinking getting into Coty right over here. Good thing I didn't because of the dump. It looks super bullish to me. It looks very nice. And I saw it was having some kind of retracement. And I was thinking, yeah, it's probably going to go to the 20. And it did go to 20. And then I was seeing this drop down. and then I was thinking maybe the 50 is gonna hold, but look at this. It's went all down zero, but now it's looking like this 100 moving average is gonna hold. So if this is the case, that the 100 moving average is gonna hold up here, that's gonna be super bullish for COTI, because you kind of got back to this 100 moving average and 4 hours. That's important moving average. This was also RSI divergence, because I saw this RSI divergence, but I was just like kind of expecting it to like continue going up higher, which it didn't. So divergence is actually needed. So how long is this gonna correct? Maybe it's already finished correcting. It was pretty severe drop. Now we're getting the bearish, because here we had bearish cross here on COTI and we had bearish cross here, but it only lasts for a day before it turned up. So that can happen here as well, that we just kind of dip and just kind of go up again. But I was watching COTI before you mentioned it. I was watching COTI before you mentioned it. But it was just, the problem is I was both watching COTI and something called MIOTA. And the problem was that I wasn't sure if I should go into them because everything was dropping. And then even though they were performing okay-ish, I was like, just wait it out. No need to hurry. So COTI right now. Also on COTI, this is RSI divergence, but there is a very important, this line over here, the diagonal line. Did I draw this on the weekly? Let me see. Yeah, this is also the bullish thing I saw on COTI, because this one over here, right? So you can see here it acted as resistance. This broke resistance, and this was acting as support, right? And now that was going up, I was being really bullish on it, especially it had this retracement back down to this support over here. So this support actually should hold, because we broke it. So if this starts going even further down, this level over here, 0.31, should hold. If it doesn't, I will become a bit bearish again. But right now, this is 4 hourly. Let's see on the daily. Daily is down at 59, so it's perfectly fine levels. Weekly 82, it did retrace a little bit back, but it went down from 92 down to 82 on the weekly RSI. So maybe it's gonna wait for the next week or something like that. So I'm not quite sure how long this is gonna take, but you want the price of COTI to follow this line, above this line over here at least. It's a very important line. But look at this over here then. It's breaking this upper slope. This only means that it's gonna go sideways now. It's breaking the trend, at least the trend over here, so it can go sideways over here. It's kind of. But this is daily. So maybe it's something like this then. Yeah. If it's something like this is a new trend, then this should be some kind of support then. That's why it stopped there, maybe, because of these lines over here and found support over here. So if we look at it 4 hourly, sorry, if we look at the moving averages, it looks nice. I would be following COTI after this dump is over. Seriously, not financial advice, of course, always, but I would be following what COTI is doing, because a lot of people have been talking about COTI. What I think about NFTs? Yeah, it's gonna be huge, man. Just imagine that everybody who makes any picture on the computer, any graphic art is gonna be copyrighted. You know, all the music is copyrighted, all TV shows are copyrighted, and but you can copyright exactly any pixel you want to copyright. You know, if you make 3 pixels, you can make it and you can copyright it. So copyright is gonna be, NFT copyright is gonna be a big thing. NFT is not gonna die. So, but who is doing NFTs and what chains? How are they gonna do it? I'm not quite into that. But and I think right now that some of these things that are selling NFT that are selling for extreme prices. Like if it was any time period, let's be honest, if you wanted to buy like a picture of whatever, of Eiffel Tower that somebody took, would you pay like 200,000 for it? No, you wouldn't. Like even if it's some famous photographer, you'll be going 200,000. Why? Like there are so many digital works that right now the reason the price is so high is because it's a new thing, so people don't know what they are doing. But NFT is gonna be huge, man. You know that. You know it, NFT is gonna be huge, man. I don't need to tell you. Bullish or bearish on flow? I don't know what flow is. Let's see flow. I'm bearish on anything right now. Huobi. That's very bearish. It got rejected on. This is the 4-hourly. It went up to below the 200 moving average. Got rejected on the 20 moving average. Keep on going down. If it cannot hold this line over here, 25. If it cannot hold that, the top over here, 25 down here. If it goes below this, I don't know what to tell you, man. That's on 4-hourly. Let's see on the daily. Yeah, on daily I would actually. That's right here. That's breaking. It should hold it over here. Let's see some big. Yeah, that's the important one. These two levels over here. Let's see. Let me just see the monthly. Okay, I don't know what flow is, but if it starts breaking this level over here, these are the two levels you need to be watching for to find the bottom down. That's it. That's 24 or 25, whatever that is, and this one down here is 19.9. So it starts going down this bottom over here, 25. It hopefully holds. If not, then down here at 19. So, but right now it looks bad, man. It looks bad. Make technical analysis, paint, sell it as an NFT, big brain movement. Yeah, why not? You know, when I started doing technical analysis, you know, I did not know about TradingView. So I would actually find charts on the internet, and then I would bring them into Paint, and I would start drawing the lines. Because that's all. That's everything. The TradingView is. It's just some kind of a drawing program that you can move around. That's it, you know. And in Paint you cannot actually move it around or zoom in or zoom out and stuff like that. But you know, it's the same thing. BTC 20 testing 20 EMA again. It seems on the 5-minute. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. What's happening on the 5-minute? Man, come on! It's testing. Yeah, it's testing the 20 moving average. Oh, it got rejected again. See, it got rejected. It went down. It got rejected again. But oh man, we fell down below the 10 moving average as well. Oh, this is bad. This is bad, man. Come on, one last pump above it. Come on. We still got 25 more minutes to go, so that's 5 more candles. That's this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles around here. Something like that. So if we go past here and we are still down here, like, oh man, what's he gonna do? But then we might interesting, man. I fear that we are gonna go lower down, like to. Let's do it on this chart over here. See daily. You know, even though we say that this is error side divergence. This is error side divergence if it holds like this, right? This is error side divergence. Sorry, error side hidden bullish divergence. But this only happens if we get a green candle over here. If we can get a green candle here, then we can confirm that this is actual what am I gonna say? It's actual actual lower high. Then we can actually say that this divergence is in, because if this just continue, If this just continues going down with the red candle, then this line goes all the way down and this line goes all the way down, and there is no divergence and there is no hope. So it would be very nice if this just could stop going down and turn around. It looks like this is on 5-minute chart, you know, so don't take 5-minute chart seriously. But we gotta get above this level over here, man. We gotta get above this level over here. It's very important to get above this level. This line over here, this line over here, it's very important. It's like crucially important to get above this level over here. If you can do that before the daily close, it's gonna be very nice. It's gonna be very nice. You can see here, people understand that. That's why people are trading this. But just like over here, it just kind of went down, down, down. And the same thing going over here. Like, people really want to get above. Traders understand this, you know. They understand the importance of this resistance line. They understand the importance of these small moving averages. They're trying to push it up, but you know, who is winning, bears or bulls? Who is winning, bears or bulls? Because I can see it, I understand it's important to get. So if somebody got like 10 million on the line on the side, can you please just pump Bitcoin on all exchanges right now and push it above, like over here or something like that? Will it not test weekly 20 EMA? Weekly 20 EMA, yeah. It might test weekly 20 EMA, but there's so much bullishness in this market right now. Weekly 20 is at 36. I know people are asking, but because in the previous bull market we always dip down there, so it might happen that we actually dip down here. But what's happened before doesn't mean it's gonna happen again. History is not a good predictor of future price moves, although some people do tend to think that. Right now everybody's looking for this white line over here, the 10 moving average around 47,000-48,000. We don't want to dip below this level over here at 45,000. Actually, we don't want to go below that or close below that, because that would be very bad. So that's what we don't want to do. We want to keep on going up. We want maybe even to have a dip, but we don't want to go below 47,000 or even below 45,000 over here. Because if you go below 45,000, you get this low and a higher low, and that becomes very bad thing. This is not EMA, this is just simple moving average, but EMA is the same, I think, 20. Yeah, it's up here at 39,000, so but still below this this level over here. So I don't think we want to go there. I don't think we want to go there. Why am I drawing these dots on my screen? Thanks, man. Really love your stream. Keep it up. I love to watch more. Thanks, man. I'm glad you enjoyed the stream. I'm glad you enjoyed the stream. Thanks for your other reply, legend. Do you think Cardano 360 news may impact the other price cheers? I think a lot of too many people are waiting for Cardano 360 to be actually to impact the price. If it does, people are gonna say it's the Cardano 360 news. If it doesn't, people are gonna blame it on Cardano 360 news. So either way, whether if it does or doesn't, people are gonna say it's Cardano 360 news or not. There was a pump and dump organized on XRP, and they said on February the 20th or something like that, we're gonna all buy in, just like they did with the GameStop, and we're gonna push the price up. When somebody comes and gives you the date when the price is gonna go up, you have to understand that that date is the dump date, it's not the buy date. So when everybody comes and say the Cardano 360 is gonna go up on this date, that's the sell date, not the buy date. What made you get into trading? Well, I wasn't making much money in my job, so I thought I want to get rich. So I started looking into stocks because I figured that how are all these other people getting rich, like finance people, like stocks? Okay, let me do what I can do there. So I start trading stocks. Did terrible. Figured I couldn't do anything about tech analysis. I found good projects, I found good companies, but they were going down. I was like, why are things going down when they are good? They are profitable. They should be going up. Why are they going down? So I could not get my head around that. And then I started doing tech analysis. That kind of helped. Then I understood more about investing and how you should value the company. Stuff like that kind of helps. But basically, just knowing technical analysis kind of helps you to not buy at the wrong time, you know. But yeah, I figured out I'm not gonna get rich with my day job, so why not get into investing? Get back to the kitchen. Who? Me? Why? Kitchen? What? I mean 5M. Well above that line. Have no clue, Baba. I have no clue what you just meant there. 20 MI is on the rear view mirror now. You think? Yeah, 20 MI is on the rear. Yeah, it's behind us. Yeah, we're not going there, man. How many? 43 Oh god, guys, we are above the line. 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 Do you see that? Do you see that? Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this is legendary. This can actually be quite nice stream. So basically what we did in this stream, we saw this hidden bullish divergence up here on the 5-minute chart. We figured out that this line has to be broken for the trend to stop. We were looking for it to jump above 10 moving average and then to break 20 moving. Now it's breaking 20 moving. It's just playing out perfectly. Everything is working as planned. Oh yeah, 5-minute line. Yeah. Oh, yeah, sorry, man. Yeah, I get it. I get it now. Yeah, 20 Emma is in the back mirror now on the 5-minute. Yeah, okay. So it's hard to sometimes tell what people are meaning in the chat. Yeah, it's in the back mirror now. We are above that line. Look here, look here, look here. The 10 moving average is crossing the 20 moving average. That's also very bullish in the short term. So right now, that we are above the line, we want to test this line over here. This is the 50 moving average. We want to get above that line. We don't want to get rejected over here, because that would mean retest on the that would mean the retest on this diagonal line, and if that breaks, then you know. So hopefully we can get above the 50 moving and then just go and test the 50 moving average and not to test the horizontal line. This can actually go down and down to 10 moving average and also test the line over here. So we just have to see. But we still got a 15 minutes left and it's doing good. It's doing good. It's looking positive so far. I got no more Coke. Yeah, that was not my my streams are not qualified for money making. Yeah, I do my streams just for fun. See here, it's going down, test the line now. 10 and 20 moving average. It's gonna test it. It's just doing what normal trading people are doing. Once you cross some kind of resistance line, you want to go back and confirm the line it's actually a support line. So everyone has been claiming today that Elon Musk has turned the downtrend around, but we're actually the late adopter and we all watch it live. Yeah, why not? Man, if I had like a Twitter with 100,000 million views, I would be shelling my altcoins like you know what. Elon Musk is also shelling his altcoins. The dog is his altcoin. Everybody's shilling their altcoins, you know. You know, the Ivan Otech, he has been in the previous bull market and stuff like that. And the reason I got worried that when we are up here, you know, a reason I got worried when we started getting up here is because he stopped making videos. He stopped shilling his altcoins and stuff like that. I think he figured out, yeah, now it's enough. I've shilled my altcoins. I've got the money. I'm getting nothing out of this, and I want to get back to my original thing with academy and stuff like that. You know, I think he has a lot to do. But I think he just figured out like. I think this is some kind of top. It might be top, might not be the top, you know, but he got out. So that kind of scared me. When I saw Ivan and Tech get out, I kind of got scared. Then there is this other guy, Alex, also shilling his altcoins. And I see all these YouTubers, you know, they are like, this is how I bought this coin, this is what I think of these altcoins, and I think a lot of them are shilling their coins. I'm not saying that's wrong thing, but they have usually a very biased view towards the thing they're talking about. So it's not very good thing to take advice from those people. So yeah, see here, nice test on the line, very nice test on the line. Are you gonna hold the line? That's the question. Are you gonna hold the line? How many minutes left? 11 minutes left to the daily close. Daily close in 11 minutes left. Let's see the 4 hourly. I like the 4 hourly. This is gonna be nice. If we can close over here, it's not confirmed, but let's see the daily. Daily is holding this 50 moving average. Let me see on CME futures chart. That's bad. CME futures actually dropped below the 20 moving average, so you know, that's not nice. That's not a nice thing to do. Let's see here on the this one over here. Let's see, because I'm saying that this is not. People have been talking that this is some kind of a triangle, right? It has been some kind of triangle down here, and now we are breaking the triangle on the downside. And I'm saying no, this is not a triangle, this is a falling wedge. Maybe in something like this. But then we are breaking out of the falling wedge and downside. But it's too, but if it's broken wedge and you're breaking down here, it's just too early, man. It's just too early. This seems to be like something like this. Let's try to draw it a little nicer. Yeah, this might be it. I want to believe, because this is only assumption, and I always say in my videos, assumptions are very terrible for technical analysis. When you assume something, you assume with maybe some kind of a confidence in technical analysis, but assumptions are very bad. So what you want to see, is performance right there and then not assuming anything. It's testing the 20 moving average right now. Yeah, broke through the line, but maybe the 20 is gonna hold. Maybe the line is not perfect. So let's hold the 20, man. Let's hold the 20 moving average. Come on, let's hold the 20. Can we see this on 1 minute? Can you see how this plays out on 1 minute? So we got a higher lows, and we got higher highs, except this one and this one. It's very terrible. Look, are you gonna draw it like this? Are you gonna draw it like this? What you guys think? Maybe something like this is better. Is this a channel, or is this a channel, or is this some kind of a triangle that we are getting back into? You know, technical analysis, it's so, there's so many possibilities for everything. 10 EMA on 50 minutes is a bad guy. Let's see 50 minutes. Usually I'll watch 5-minute chart and 1 minute chart only on the stream, you know. It's 5 minutes, 15 minutes is actually terrible. Let's see the 10 moving everywhere. Is it? Oh, we got reject on 10 minute on 50. Yeah, we got reject on 10 on 15. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Oh, that's very bad. Look at prices just keep dumping. Prices just dumping, really. Oh, that's bad, man. Yeah, let's see 30 minutes as well. But you know, the more you zoom out, right, you are like, no problem. See, on 1 hourly, we're actually a little bit up on 1 hourly. So, don't take it hard, guys. Just the way of the game. That's why I'm saying the 5 minute chart, man. Anything can happen. But 5 minute charts are nice for stream because something is happening on the screen. If you look at like a 4 hourly chart on the stream, like nothing is happening, like price is not moving at all. So we all know if you can get that Lambo in the next 11 minutes and an iPhone. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be like only 10 minutes. It would be nice though. What we want to know is where this daily close is gonna end. Let's see daily close of here. Let's clear up. See daily close, you can still hold above the 50,000 stuff like that. So, but it got very bearish after it broke the 20 moving average and then started dropping for the next 2 days. So I'm telling you, the worst thing for us technical analysis, you know, the guys that do technical, this is the worst thing that's actually we are seeing right now. And that this line over here is getting broken, you know. So there's very little room to draw this line another way where it doesn't. Maybe something like this. Maybe this is a better. And if this line over here, it's maybe some kind of a better line, maybe down here, maybe up here. But if you use this one, you have to use this one. Maybe this is the line. Maybe this is a lot better because I like these weeks here, weeks there. So we can still go down to 50,000 again. So maybe this is the last chance. I mean, there is no more, like, then you can start drawing it like this and then, oh yeah, sure, we can go down to 42,000. Yeah, you can, man. Sure we can. But every time you break, like at one point, there is no more new lines you can draw. Like first of all, you're like up here, like then you're like down here, and then you're like down here, and then you're like down here, and then like, man, there is no more lines. There is no more lines. So you know. But once you confirm, but because this looks fine to me. This looks very fine. Support, sorry, I don't know if you can see this here, the support again went up. This was support, broke the support, but then it was using it as a resistance, 1 2 3 exactly, and then it broke it, so confirming that this is the line, down, wick on the line, confirming the line, going above the line, and now it's going down. So this line can actually hold also at around 49,000. You can also go sideways and hit it over here at 54,000. Why not? Lambo 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. Everything is broken today. Even Croatia lost to Slovenia. yeah. How did this? Yeah, it was. So Norway, where's Norway? How did Norway do today? Norway should 3-0 versus Gibraltar. Nice. Norway is going to the world champion. Serbia, Ireland 3-2. Slovenija, Croatia. Ej, Kroaci, sad mi reci, kako ste izgubili protiv Slovenije? Gdje ti je Šuker? At least I'm glad Norway is doing well, man. I haven't been celebrating anything for a long time, so I hope Norway gets up there. Lambo 0 to 103 seconds, BTC 58 to 53 hours. Which is faster? Probably BTC. Slovenija zabila iz odbijanca. Yeah, I'm not very good in our language. So we still got 2 minutes left. Let's look at a 5-minute chart on this one over here. We got back below the line. It was nice try. It was nice try. It was very nice try. So what I'm thinking now, it's we're gonna continue this move down to the line. If we break this line over here, then we get continuous movement down, and then people start panicking, and this goes to something like 50,000, and then it gets support. Bosnia versus Finland 2-2. Hi, how is it going? It's going bad, man. Sir, it's going very bad. We just lost the trend line. We lost the moving averages on the 5-minute chart, and we are crashing like forever. It's 1 minute left, but it does not look good, man. It doesn't. The good thing is, but this is a 5-minute chart, man. Maybe we should be talking about 4-hourly chart. But even 4-hourly chart broke the 200 moving average, man. It just looks bad, man. However you look at it, it's broke 200 moving average. It's keeping this 50. What's that? 52. Where did I have this 52 moving average from? Where is support coming from? Where is support up here? Let me look at the weekly. There is no weekly thing. There must be daily support somewhere up here. Yeah, maybe this one over here. Maybe something like this. It could be. So this less, but it looks bad, man. It looks bad. However you're gonna look at it, on the 4-hourly, it broke the 200 moving average. There is this kind of support up here, like, but it's weak. It's very weak. Daily broke the 20, and just going all the way down to 50 moving average, and there we go. We got the close. Daily close. Let's look at the RSI. RSI went all the way down to the 45. Oh man, RSI is so low, man. RSI is so low. But look now. Look, check this out. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Price is going up, right? The RSI is going down, and you know what that means, guys. You know what that means. Come on, guys. You can do technical analysis. The RSI going down, the price is going up. That's hidden bullish divergence on the daily. So if we get today, it's not confirmed yet. It's not confirmed yet if this can continue going down. But if this holds next day today, we get this bottom over here. Then we got a hidden bullish divergence. And you know what happens with hidden bullish divergence? They go crazy, man. So we can get the hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, it's right over here. That's hidden bullish divergence right over here on the 4-hourly. So if this can hold, then we have to win. But that's assumptions. That doesn't have to happen. But right now it looks like we are going further down. So maybe we only gonna wick down. So we have to look for close. And as predicted, exactly as we predicted. Where are my lines, man? What happened to the lines? Let's go back in time. 5-minute chart. Zoom in. Exactly as we predicted, we got rejected from this line, and we are gonna test these lows down here, which is exactly down here. We're gonna test these lows, and if we break the lows, we're gonna go further down. Everything is broken today. Yeah, it's going downwards. Yeah, dips are part of the game. When do we get porn NFTs? Yeah, who knows? Maybe they already are. Maybe they are. I'm pretty sure they're gonna start with that pretty soon. So that might be next big investment opportunity. Who knows, man? Okay, guys, that's it. It's been a quite long stream. How long did you stream for today, man? Where is the? Just close these. How long did you stream for today? 15 minutes. But how long did you stream? 10, 15, 1. it's 2 hours 10 minutes, I think. 2 hours 10 minutes. Yeah, 2 hours and 15 minutes. That's pretty long. This is like the longest stream I've ever done. Is this the end, or are we still bullish? No, Yasim, we are very bearish, but there might be some kind of bottom coming in soon. That's what we're trying to tell. You can see here right now on the 5-minute chart, it's testing this. If it breaks, it's gonna go continue going lower. Continue going lower. But we are watching the 4-hourly and the. Let me do it on this chart over here. Quite well. Even the 200 moving average on the 4-hourly got broken. You can see the price continue going up. It's just normal price movement. So we did not expect it to actually go down because the 4-hourly actually got broken. 200 moving average on the 4-hourly got broken. On the daily, we have not hit yet the 50 moving average, but we are getting close, so we might be down. So we are still bearish. There is still no bottom in, but there might be good chance for this to be a very bullish thing, because this is a hidden bullish divergence. Keep in mind, I keep repeating myself, this hidden bullish divergence. But if this speaks down and starts holding, we still gotta wait a couple of 4-hourly charts. 4-hourly candles to confirm this, see what is actually happening. But I'm not gonna stream like for next 8 hours. And on the daily, this can actually turn out to be a super good thing if it goes like all the way down and close to on the 50 moving average, because then you get this super nice hidden bullish divergence on the daily that however you look at it, if this stands or something like that, it might actually push us back up again, and that can actually be a very good thing. So basically right now we're still bearish, we're still going down, unfortunately. Also still continue to bleed, but it looks like it's gonna go and find some kind of support. So let me just see this. How is our triangle, sorry, our falling wedge doing up here? Something like this. Maybe something like this. But we broke the wedge then. So is there a way to draw this without breaking the wedge, huh? That's what I'm trying to ask. Is there a way to draw this without, maybe it's a channel. Maybe it's a channel. It's hard to tell. It would have been nice if it was a wedge. It's not a wedge. It's getting broken. So maybe it was a triangle. We just have to wait and see what's actually happening over here. We have to wait and see. But we are waiting for that RSI divergence, and we're gonna see what's happening with that. Thanks for the effort. No, you're welcome, mate. Thanks, bro, for your streams. Have a good night. You as well, man. Laku noć. Fino sanjaj. Thanks a lot, man. My all-time favorite YouTube stream. Glad to hear that, man. Appreciate it. You know, when streams are so small, like 30 people, like it can be a lot more interactive and a lot more. What you gonna call it? It can be a lot more personal, you know. But when you got a stream with like 2,000 people and everybody spamming the chat, like it kind of gets too big. Baba says, if BTC drops below 55 EMA on daily, then I might take a break. But everything into reef and just stop looking into graphs. Good night, see ya. Good night, man. Yeah, if BTC drops below 55 EMA, 55 BTC below 55. Where's 55? That's 50. I just want to see it. I just want to see it. Where's the 55? What do you mean? Oh, it's on daily, sorry. Wow, it's so low, man. It's so low. 55 EMA. It's 40. Yeah, it's 49,000. It's 49. It's actually very good. It's the level we are looking for. 49,000. Probably gonna hit only 50,000, something like that. Might even stop over here. This might actually be a button. Might actually, maybe we can draw the this one, something like this. I don't know, man. And then, God. Thanks, player. Do another one at 10 p.m. Juan says, maybe, man. I don't do a lot of streams. I appreciate everybody who's come. You know, from time to time, and I'm in the mood. I do a stream. Thanks guys for joining the stream, because I wanted to do something and now I did something, so now I can go to sleep. Tomorrow I'm gonna post more videos. Be sure to check them out. Some videos I post without notification, so maybe just step into the channel if you want to see something else that comes without notification, because a lot of YouTube videos I'm getting hits through a YouTube search, so just putting the bear flag. There is no bear flag, man. Sebastian, which time frame are you seeing the bear flag on? I see no bear flag, man. If not, this is a bull flag. You got a pole and then you got a flag. So this is bull flag, not bear flag. Anyways, that's it. We are done. We're done. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the donations. Thanks for being here with me. It was nice. It was nice. I was enjoying this show. Thanks. See you around, guys. Bye bye. Where do I press now? Yeah, it's okay, Sebastian. This looks like a bull flag. You can just go Google like bull bear flag, and then you're gonna figure it out in 2 minutes. Thanks, guys. Bye bye. Stop.